Hello everyone, in this video I show you how to. If you want to play Halo Campaign Evolved and your game is not launching, then you've come to the right place, because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Halo Campaign Evolved not launching on your computer easily. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your games platform, which is Steam for me. Now you're going to right click on Halo Campaign Evolved, click Properties, Install Files, click Verify Integrity of Game Files here. While it's doing this process, now you're going to close this up. You're going to minimize Steam, and you're going to open up Xbox app on your computer. And then you're going to click onto your username, click on the Support. Gaming Services Repair tool, click Start repairing them. Wait for Xbox to complete this process. It can take a minute or two. It depends on your internet and your computer speed. After that, sign out of your Xbox account and then close the Xbox app. Now you're going to go to your Halo Campaign Evolved Games folder, so it should be in your Steam's directory. Here it is. Right-click on the Halo's exe file, click Properties, Compatibility, click on to disable full screen optimizations, and click Run this program as an administrator. After that, click Apply, OK, and then close this up. Now you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. Once you're done with the computer restart, you're going to open up the Xbox app. You're going to sign into your Xbox account. Once you're done signing in, now you're going to go ahead and try to play Halo Campaign Evolved from your games platform, and then you'll see that your game will now work. You'll not face that not launching problem anymore. So there you guys have it. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.